Hi folks, it's been a very strange day. Without going into every single detail, I had notification today that I'm an award-winning actor, and you know, I'm a multi-award-winning filmmaker, and I'm not doing this because I've got a massive fucking ego. I'm doing this because I haven't got a massive ego. Because, and guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I thought, is this real? Am I an award-winning actor? So this was for last camp, and still trying to take it in. Where is your hair? I've got a role in the week, and it's been cut for production, and short back and sides on set, and I'll have a beard. So one of the things I'm thinking that I need to do is that I think I feel uneasy with something at this minute. Maybe I'm pushing the archaeology of myself too much. I should be focusing on the filmmaking and trying to do the best I can do with the acting. So I'm thinking that when I turn up on set in the week, I've got my really smart acting clothes. So I have a shower the night before, naturally, and don't really need to brush my hair much, that's for sure. And people watching now, I'm Karl-James Langford. I'm also a farmer, as well as an actor, archaeologist, author, journalist, and it's like trying to put everything together. So tonight I've got a complete copy for my column in the local newspaper. It's got to do it tonight. I sorted out the animals. So this is bramble, and this is bracken. So please, those out there, please, it would be great for you to subscribe to my channel. And it's one of those weird things, isn't it? Is asking people to subscribe to your channel sort of subscribing to your channel, liking, ego? Probably is, but you do what feels right. Gut instinct is always right. Do you know what? That's right. If I discussed what I did on Thursday, right, which was quite a lot of things, and I didn't get everything done. So I was in Barry, and it was like I got to try and control my goats. It was visiting quite a famous friend of mine, which I'm not going to say who he is, because why? That's between me and him. So that was good seeing him. And this guy that I saw is extremely accomplished. His work has taken him around the world, and I'm proud of the guy, and really nice bloke. So I did that. And then one part of the day we went to clean up the old chapel on Barry Island. So where are we now? So that's in the evening. So we did St. Barrack's Chapel. And So where are we now? So we're private and we're doing sort of... Oh, by the way, you can look at my goats. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So where are we now? So yeah, I picked up some printing. So that's good. And there was selling eggs to people. So that's the farming bit. Also, I've already spent time on the farm that morning, which took up 3.5 hours. So I can't exactly get away. Oh, and I've got somebody who's coming along to cut my hair. So that's acting. Meeting people as well. So I'm at my studio. And lots of other things, I think. Oh, my brother comes to see me and we have a chat about the sort of my parents. So networking and so on. So, and I'm so tired, exhausted on Thursday because of the travelling from West Wales to Barry. It's not far really. But if you're already tired and you've got a 2-hour, 10-minute journey and you've got a stop that you make every time because I've got to. So it makes the journey 2.5 hours. So travelling back, it takes me then... Anyone watching me, I'm just having a chat. This is Karl-James Langford. And then on the way back, to be safe, instead of a 2-hour whatever journey, with a short stop, on the way back, I take a short stop. It's like a coffee stop. But it did actually take me 5.5 hours to get back. So I've got to sleep on the way. So the point is that some days are extremely long and you've got to fit so many things in. The point is that I think I may be pushing myself too far regards to the archaeology. I've already cut lots of things back and I thought you're already starting to do something else, and no. So when the acting work comes in, you've got to be ready for it. And so tomorrow is a prep day. I don't have to... My agent said, just make sure it's your first thing this year, really. I've done a little thing, but this is my first big thing this year, really. Well, I say big, it's not big. They needed somebody on a production on the last day because they needed me. So that's great. But we're doing the goat thing now. And this is what I've got to deal with. So we've got a goat jam. An absolute goat jam. So somehow I'm going to have to push this one with my foot and go, don't do that. Like, come over here. Right, that's it. I'm not being cruel. But Misty will know what I mean. Oh my God. And the other one tried to do it now. Oh, for fuck's sake. So, well, I got a total goat jam now. The sensible thing might be to sort of let one go and do the other one. And I'm tangled. So we've got a tiny little bit of gap between one bit of my land and another bit of the land. So this is where we're going. So, as I said, I wasn't going to plan to do a lot to it this evening. But that's me. If anyone wants to say anything, like and subscribe would be really, really good. I don't know what happened to EXO. What happened to him tonight? Misty's probably still there, getting ready to go to Milan. And his woman in Italy. God, must be a lot of work. Hey, do you know what? I've something really yeah, I've told you I had lots of things happening today, which I haven't gone through, which I don't want to go through. But there's the goats. Absolute hell creatures. A friend of mine from years ago has got in touch, right, and it's just like, I tried to contact them years ago, and they live in a foreign country, and so they've got in touch, and I just thought, brilliant. So it's just like, is it you? Why have you contacted me? Nobody really contacts me. And going back to that this morning, being an award-winning I'm an award-winning filmmaker, but I'm also an award-winning actor now, and it's so new. It's not even on my IMDb because it came through this morning. So it's just, yeah, my gut is telling me that I've got to make sure that the changes that I made are the right changes. There we go. There's the goats having more of their food. So anyone out there, if you want to comment, please do. Like and subscribe, please. There we go. So people could just, it's therapeutic watching goats eating, is it? There we go. You tell people you do all these different things, and the days are completely full, massively. It's like now I've got to crack on. Really got to crack on. So again, guys, don't forget, anyone liking and subscribing, I really appreciate you doing that. And anyone joining my channel, lowest rate is £1.99. Go ahead. So what I'm going to do is set things up now this evening. So I'm going to have a shower. I do some. I think I'll do some tidying up and do some tidying up. Have something to eat first. Kinneal. I'm going to get these goats down. So my naughty goats. And the thing is with these goats, I've got to tie them up all the time because that's rocky. But second, I've got to make sure the gates slightly locked. This grass here, right, is really getting lush, right? Unfortunately, we've been having a dry spell, but it's really nice grass. So I got 2 flocks. So a bigger flock will go on here. And we've got another patch at the top, which is really long meadow grass. So we're not going to cut that. We're just going to put the border race directly into it, and for 2 months. So anyone chatty this evening? Nobody's saying much. So I'm probably going to go soon. Get these goats in their house. Go on, in. Right. And then I'll tie them up here. I'll tie them up here. So let's tie them up. You can look for the goats. There you go. Goat in. Anyone who's just joined us, please like and subscribe. This is Karl-James Langford. That's the goat. One of the goats. We've only got 2 goats. 2 goats. And it's quite hot today, to be honest. I can't stand the heat, to be honest. If you like the heat, then go to a foreign country, England. So I'm just gotta go over to the woodland a minute. So I gotta close these creatures in. Turkeys. Turkeys? No, not turkeys. Cockerels. If anyone wants any cockerels, right, let me know. There's 6 cockerels we've got to get rid of. Really do, they're a pain, and they are a pain because they're damaging my ground, and it's difficult to get new grass growth with these cockerels roaming. And my other half, don't think she's got much of an idea about, you know, what we should be doing with the cockerels. They need to go. They really need to go. So I'm going to call it probably a night. It was just a short chat on here. And thanks for watching. Diolch yn fawr chi. A nos da. Got to crack on. Do something to eat, tidying up, and then we're going to have a shower. And then I could do loads of written work. I just feel as if I'm acting tomorrow, but I'm not. So I've got to park a few things tomorrow, get things planned. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr i chi. Don't forget to join my channel. Night night.